right, let's take a look at some new word parts of the immune system. So make sure that you have your word list prior to starting this section. Follow the link below. We have the root term phago. Phago, and remember that your word list is alphabetically listed. So go ahead and find that on the word list. Tell me what it means. Okay, phago means to eat or to swallow something. Next up is the root term attenuo. Attenuo. What does that mean? All right, attenuo refers to a weakening of something, to weaken it. Next up is the root term demo. Demo, what does demo refer to? Okay, demo refers to people or a population. Think democracy. All right, I've got the root term nodo. Nodo. What does that mean according to your word list? All right, a nodo is a little knot. Next, we have the prefix ana. Ana, A-N-A. Okay, ana refers to being up, sometimes above, right, around, outside. You'll see some slightly looser definitions as we get to some words, but the strict definition means to be up. Next up is the root term comio. Comio. See if you can find what that means. All right, that means to care for. To care for. And then we have the root term strepto. Strepto. See if you can find that definition. All right, strepto refers to twisted chains. It would be an appearance of something, as we will see in some future lectures.